I'm not gonna lie, we didn't do much filming, if not any filming today. We've been in our secret location again. Mel has been a star. We have spent a bit of time today putting in some wiring for the lights. So we have taken wiring, which is that 12-volt cable there, running it all the way over, because I'm going to have the batteries located in front of the wheel arch. Gonna go at this pillar, and we've threaded it all the way along, and we've got a spotlight there, and then continuing on down through this pillar and then out here, and then we've got a reading light and another reading light on the other side. We've got some other cabling to go in, but that's going to be threaded under the bed once it's fixed, so that's fine. And I've just been spending a bit of time like filling in the holes and making sure that these pillars are filled. Mel has been...
Jackery's been a rock star.
Using the Jackery, yeah, Jackery 1000.
Not sponsored video.
No, but it has been great, because he's been building me a step here. Not this step.
Not this step, that was the other step.
I have been struggling with the pedals in the new Ford Transit because I'm short. My feet don't fit the pedals very well, but unusually, for some reason, the Ford Transit custom pedals are extremely high, and I'm not used to that. Adrian, he has a Ford Transit custom as well, and he said that they're unusually high anyway.
Yeah, I'd struggle to drive it.
And Mel was struggling, I've been struggling, and I've been having to suspend my feet up off the floor and hover over the pedals rather than having my heel resting on the floor and, you know, just pushing the pedals as you would a normal vehicle. I've been having to suspend my feet because my feet wouldn't touch the floor of the van and the pedals, and if they did, it was ever so slight, and I was constantly just missing the pedals and my feet were just falling off them, which is not safe. I've got size 3 feet, so it could be the fact that I just got really small feet. But anyway, let me show you what Mel has done for me today, and we've done it super safe. Before anyone says anything, we've locked it into the bed of the van. I'm going to give it a trial driving back home tonight now and see whether it fits okay, but it's supremely more safe than it was before because I kept on hopping on and off the pedals and being very jerky. And yeah, I'm super pleased with it, and it means that I can actually comfortably drive without getting leg ache or calf ache or thigh ache from constantly being suspended in the air. Let me show you anyway. So this is what Mel's done, is he's created this high platform, and he has screwed it together, and then what it does is it fits down onto these pegs, if you can see, so it doesn't move off the pegs. And then I have got plenty enough space to then touch the pedals without my feet being off the floor, because before, this floor is so far down, my feet couldn't sit comfortably on the floor of the van and touch the pedals. I was finding it incredibly dangerous, so I asked him if he could build me a false platform. We'll try it tonight, and I'll let you know how we get on. Monty's sleeping on his reverse chair today. He's chilled out. So that is it for today, really. We've literally just been tweaking things, talking about the layout, working out where the lighting is going to go. I'm going to do a dedicated video talking all about the lighting. Well, when we get up to it, I'll show you all the different bits and bobs that I bought. Anyway, we're packed up. The sky looks like it's about to start raining and get a bit cloudy, so we are gonna wrap this video up here. It's very short and sweet, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, because we're going to be back here starting on the carpet. So this is the carpet that I've bought, which is like a wheaty beige. I'll leave a link to where I got it from, because there was so many different prices online. I've got 10 meters here, which is supposedly enough to do a whole Ford Transit custom long wheelbase. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See you in the morning. Well, that's it for another day. I tell you what, it certainly isn't easy doing a van build in the winter. Everything just takes that much longer, and because we're trying to film and trying to do other things as well as you know, normal life stuff as well as YouTube stuff, it is surprising how the time goes. I think we got here about 12 after spending the morning. Well, I had to get some editing done. Oh, and the lights have just gone off, so I'm sorry if you can't see me now. Well, hello, we're back and we're doing the carpet. Let me show you what we've done so far. We've cut the piece ready, so we've cut it a little larger widthways, and there's more than enough drop, isn't there? Because of the amount that we've got here.
So we're going to do it all in one go. We only want the carpet to go up this pillow, along the top and around this frame. The centre piece we're going to cut out because we've got separate panels to go there.
Yeah. So we're going to let you just sit and watch the show, all right? Wish us luck. Or wish him luck. No nonsense carpet spray from Screwfix. I think it was like $3.99. Don't get it online, it's really expensive. One place was charging like $12.99 a can. So Screwfix, and they were having an offer of 3 for £12, so that was good too.
Move it up there. Leave it to dry a minute. Right, I reckon that's it. That should be cured. So now I've got to try and... It's going to gather up there, I'm afraid. I don't want it to.
Do I need to pay somebody else to do it?
Maybe. Need to pay a professional.
Get a professional.
I hear Liam the Terrible's good at this sort of stuff.
Oh, Liam, do you want a job?
And you've got matching kettles.
Yeah, we're kettle buddies. Whoop, whoop.
I've never done this before.
I thought you had.
Not this sort of stretchiness.
Oh. Now he tells me. The roller was £4 from B&Q.
Scissors, I think, would be better. Scissors?
Okay. Just a little snip. It won't hurt a bit. So we're going to let Mel get on with this for a bit, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Who's the man under the curtain? The great and powerful Oz, or rather, Mel. Honestly, sometimes men, they don't let you look after them and then they complain. This is a great first aid kit, by the way, because it comes with the carabiner, and I always keep it in the van. Could you just give me... Mel's doing a great job at finishing off this bit of carpeting on this wall. And then what we're going to do is fit the panel for the end tailgate. We're going to have to do a little bit of tidying up just so that you don't see the foil edges. And then we're actually leaving that to be carpet lined because we've just checked it and it's not actually possible because it will stop the door from shutting. And also where the glass is sealed, there isn't an edging strip, so there's nowhere for it to be tucked into the glass, so that's gonna have to be altered slightly. And on this back wall here, we're gonna be doing the carpeting, but we need to wire in for the solar panels first. So the solar panels came yesterday, but we just need to wait for the wiring that I've just ordered from Amazon this morning, so I'm gonna have to wait for that to happen first. But anyway, we are getting on well. It's freezing cold. We still haven't got the diesel heater in because that cable hasn't arrived. So yeah, we're trying to do our best with the supplies that we've got. But we're okay, aren't we, Mel?
Oh, no, it's freezing. Absolutely freezing. I really wish I'd managed to get that heater fitted now.
Yeah.
But never mind, the parts are on their way.
We'll
get it fitted.
Yeah.
Just have to move more.
Yeah.
So that way stay warm.
And it's soon lunchtime and we've not really got on very well today, but we are happy, we're healthy and we're doing all right.
Oh, yeah, we're doing all right.
Yeah.
I
So
like that.
we're just doing what we can.
Today's a good day.
It is a good day. And we had quite a stressful evening last night, so we're just happy that everything's calm and collected today. The other thing we're going to do is fix this batten with some glue now that we know that it's all sealed and everything. The floor is completely dry, not a drop of rain in all this hideous weather. So the skylight...
Hideous?
Pardon?
What weather?
In not a drop of water in all this hideous weather.
Oh, hideous. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you come out of some posh word then.
No. So we're going to fit this batten back now that we're happy with it, and then we're going to insulate round and clad the ceiling. So we found a bit of an offcut and Mel's just come up with a fantastic idea.
Well,
Take it away, Mel.
so this offcut, wheel arches are really hard to cover with auto carpet. So I thought what I'll do with this offcut Rebecca's just presenting me with, I've put it so I know that it's going to mould around like that. I know that if I glue this face first, then I can work it around the wheel arch itself. It's a bit short this side actually, so I'm going to shimmy it over a bit.
Oh, shimmy, shimmy.
Only a little bit, like that.
Everybody, let's do a shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
A bit more like that. So I know I've got enough of this offcut to cover the wheel arch that side. And a bit more like that. Still plenty that side.
Yeah.
Plenty that side. So no, now if I glue that there, that'll be alright. But how do we make sure that that stays there? So what I'm going to do...
Tell us, oh great one. Oh great one.
More. Trying to make sure I've got enough like that. Simply start it off. I'm going to simply staple it to the floor.
You stapling my van? Yep. Oh, too late.
I would do if there's any staples. A floor in my plan, no staples.
Oh.
Something in your toolbox. Just place that there so it doesn't move. Oh.
You'll have to get some now.
Back in there. Not that much of a genius, am I?
Well, I haven't used it.
Staples here. Look how old this box is. Look.
1980s.
Probably, yeah.
Let's have a look and see if it's got a date on it.
No. One there like that. Now I know that that is in the right position, right? So now all I've got to do is peel this back like that.
And sticky glue.
And I know now, if I put glue on this panel, glue on here, that's going to be in the right position to glue.
Ah, yeah, nice.
Get it?
Yeah.
So here we go. Bit of glue
We
on
like
here
that. Didn't he do well?
Right. And then glue on here like this. You don't have to use a lot. Like that. Let that dry off. And then once that's dried off, all I've got to do is pull it tight and then put it on. Yeah, it really helps. Right, so using the pointy end of the scissors, I'm simply going to hold this panel in place, and hopefully, now I know where that hole is, it should be evident to find the hole in the actual panel. There we go, there it is. So I found it. I'm just going to work it around like that to cut the auto carpet. The worry is, of course, that because we've got now 3 layers of auto carpet plus the silver foil, that the actual popper itself, the shaft, isn't going to be long enough. But I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's put it in place. Now if it's not long enough, I'm pretty sure you can buy longer ones of these, but we'll see. If we push really hard against it, push it right. Yeah, I've got a feeling we're going to need longer ones of these. eBay. I need to go and buy some more of these. Get some longer ones. You can buy longer poppers. Be right back.
A few days later.
So this is the status of the van. We did carpeting the other day, so we finished off the pillar behind the passenger seat, made it all nice around the sliding door, done the opposite pillar over there. This was actually super easy to do. Just got a screwdriver slotted and just pulled this fascia back. Just do it super carefully, and then I used a plastic ruler, just a normal office ruler, to slide the carpet in the gap, so you sort of tuck it in, and then you hit the paneling back, so you pinch the carpet. No sticky, no adhesive, and then you let it hang. You spray the back of the carpet and you spray the metal pillar, and then you fold the carpet back so that you can then get a really nice finish. Obviously you take the trim of the door off, and then once this is dry and you've all fitted it in and you've pushed it into the right places, you then push the trim back. I didn't film it because it was super late and really dark in the workshop. I think this video in total has probably taken about 4 months from the beginning of the video to now. So hopefully in today's video and today's hard work, maybe tomorrow's, we can wrap the whole lot of the insulation and the carpeting up and show you the finished result at the end of the video. My boyfriend's got skills.
Becky made a cheeky little video which really took me by surprise.
Yeah.
I had no idea she did that. I was wondering why she was so long in the shower.
And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here.